Yeah.
What did the fishy do?
Well, you said yeah.
Good job! Yay!
Oh.
Grandma and Grandpa here.
Hello. Hello, Benjamin. Say mama.
Fishy?
Can you say mama? Oh, fishy. We're into the fishy now. Oh, you're so smart. Yes, you are.
Did you eat your fishy?
Oh, you're so smart. Look at you.
Hi, Cyclone.
Fish. Where's your dog? Where's your dog? And a dog does that too. Yes, you're so smart.
I know.
What does mommy say? What does mommy say?
Yeah.
What does the dog say? Sometimes they do after they finish their meal, right? Yeah.
Is that one fish, two fish? Red fish, blue fish?
Then what did the monkey do?
Furrows his brow.
He's furrowing your brow.
What does a monkey do?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, oh.
Here.
I thought we had another sound
Here,
coming.
wait, hi, come over on camera here. Let's get
No.
that.
That's okay.
No, okay.
What does the airplane do? Benjamin. Benjamin. Now, you're just doing it to make us laugh, aren't you? Could Grandma have some? May Grandma have a cracker? Or a little piece of peach?
Are we done?
Maybe you'd rather eat reading a book.
That's probably good.
Well,
All right.
bye.